Do you want to discover how to transform your self-esteem and truly love yourself? In this video, I'll reveal 5 powerful keys to building rock-solid self-esteem. Don't wait another second. Join me on this journey to self-love. Key 1. Recognize your strengths. It's time to see how amazing you truly are. Challenge 1. Make a list of your achievements and positive qualities. Challenge 2. Ask 10 people who know you well to name 5 great things about you. Keep these lists as a treasure for tough days. You deserve this gift. Key 2. Take care of yourself. Eat healthy, exercise regularly, enjoy your hobbies, build positive relationships. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, and always remember to prioritize yourself. Key 3. Practice gratitude. Be thankful for every detail, big or small. Each night, write down 3 good things that happened during the day. You'll be amazed at how much you have, and it'll help you fall asleep with a smile. Key 4. Embrace your limitations. Stop chasing perfection. No one else is like you, and that's your superpower. The only comparison that matters is with your past self, to inspire growth, not doubt. Key 5. Be assertive. Learn to communicate confidently. Express your opinions. Say no when necessary. Set healthy boundaries. Assertiveness will strengthen both your self-esteem and your relationships. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Subscribe for more life-changing content. Remember, self-love is the first step to true happiness. Thank you for being here.